Is that good? Mmm, corn. We got this bird-safe popcorn from PetSmart. Num Nums. And she obviously is digging it. What you doing? What's the doggy doing? Yeah?
I didn't take none.
Is that good?
Num num.
This is so great. She is loving that stuff. She eat her vegetables. Yep. Is it good? Look at her entire beak is covered in popcorn. This is so funny. Num nums, Yashi.
I think she's wearing more than she's eating.
Man, she's
Num 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 num.
I love the noises she makes. Okay, there you go. Yummy yums. Popcorn, she's grinding it up. And she loves the crunchies. Num nums. Num nums. Corn.